Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to set a sleep timer on your Spotify app. This will basically stop your Spotify music after a certain amount of time. This is great if you want to sleep to a music and after some time the music will stop playing. To do this, open up your Spotify app. Now tap on your Now Playing. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. On this menu, scroll down and tap on Sleep Timer. Here you can choose a time to stop the audio. You can choose from 5 minutes to 1 hour, or at the end of the track. Once you've chosen your time, tap on the three dots and on this menu, scroll down and it'll show you how much time is left. To turn it off, tap on the sleep timer option again and then tap on Turn Off Timer. And that is how to set a sleep timer on your Spotify app. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.